right, you're yellow right here.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and then someone wants
Hey, in the shade. How y'all doing? And is there a blue? Does anybody want to do a blue?
The mommy's doing. You see how I'm covering the white?
Hey, anti-ladder, who's got a yellow?
Come on down.
So what we're doing right now is creating these installs for the Garland Libraries that represent the new renovations that they're doing. They're putting in WeWorks and new technology in all the libraries and revitalizing them, if you will. And so, inspired by that, we're putting together these murals to bring the community together and kind of take notice of this.
That was really nice for them to let us come out and help, right?
Yeah.
It's really cool. I think this is really neat. We definitely didn't know about it before today, but like it's fun to be a part of, and you know we're definitely gonna come back here again.
I drive by this all the time and see this blank wall here, and I'm so happy we're finally doing something about it, putting up a mural. The community is involved because it's their library and they're all going to be a part of it. And I'm excited eventually we're going to put people's faces up on the wall, people who visit the library, members of the community, so we can see the actual people in our community to help build that sense of community.
It absolutely warms my heart and is so exciting because all of these people who are coming out are part of our community, and we serve at the library. Libraries for everybody, so it hopefully represents the beauty that everybody is bringing is hopefully represented in this art piece, and people can be really proud of it.
I think that it's really nice that they're letting everybody be hands on deck to help paint this beautiful picture, and everybody can just come together.
This is about 163 feet and 13 feet high, so roughly around, I think, 2,500 square feet or 2,800. You know, check my math on that one, but I know it's 163 feet and 13 feet high, so it is a very long wall.
You need something to stand up. You're too short.
It's a really great opportunity for us to help build our community and beautify our community, and not only make our mark, but hopefully spur curiosity in people about what we're doing, what the library is about, and that people can see themselves in the library, that we have something for them.
Looking good.